All right. So welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you guys for joining me. And this is another early morning one. Yeah. Hopefully guys are doing good and everything is okay. So we have a particular player to speak about. Definitely I will be getting into more detail. His name is DiShon Bernard. Now, there's a lot of youngsters in the diaspora who are very, very much interested in playing for Jamaica. So I'll be getting into more details on that. These reports are coming from the Manchester Evening News, and that because relatively it's a Manchester United player. We're going to get into more information about the player and this report is about. But what I want you guys to do at this moment, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. Please do the HBO special. Help a brother out. I'm on my road to 10K, and I will totally appreciate it if you guys do so. Now let's get straight into the details. This one came out of the blue. So according to the according to the Manchester Evening News, Manchester United youngster open to representing Jamaica at international level. Now, the 21-year-old is currently on loan at Hull City after earning his senior United debut under Ole Gunnar Solskjaer in the 2018-2019 season. Now, he's a good prospect. Manchester United youngster DiShon Bernard has outlined his plans to represent Jamaica internationally after some impressive display on loan while on loan at Hull City. Bernard, who is 21, is performing strongly for championship side and is featured 6 times so far for the Tigers. Now, he's a regular in the fixtures and definitely means something. Now, predominantly deployed as a centre back, the United youngster is on a season-long loan and has impressed current boss Grant McCain. Now, how does he affiliate with Jamaica and what makes him eligible for Jamaica? So Bernard was born in London, but his father is from Jamaica, meaning he would qualify to play for the Reggae Boyz. No, Theodore Tapper Whitmore is currently in charge of the national team, with some reports claiming he'd been in contact over a potential call up. So I'm not sure how that one will pan out, but definitely I think definitely I've been touched. So what happened is that on hearing rumors about Whitmore being in touch, Bernard said, not that I've heard of, but I'd obviously be open to it. And that would be good to play for them. As of now, I haven't heard anything yet. So these reports are clearly stating from what he said in regards to representing Jamaica, representing the Reggae Boyz, and he's definitely interested. And the thing about it is that people, he's not the only person or only young player who's actually interested in this. This is something that is extremely vast in the diaspora. I know someone right at this moment who lives in Argentina and their son plays in Argentina. I think I can't remember the league. I don't remember the league people. Maybe possibly the second tier. Is that the second tier? Almost going into the first tier. I think they're in promotion to go into the first tier, and they would definitely love to play for Jamaica because both parents are from Jamaica, migrated to Argentina, and the child was born. That their son was born in Argentina. He can represent Argentina and he's doing well. Won't give out any more information on that. But that one is pending. That one is pending, people. So this it's not the only person, people, and that is the reason I don't like when, especially the fans, use certain terminologies because these persons live outside of the diaspora necessarily outside of the country necessarily means that they don't have strong affiliations with the country, because they do. Normally the parents are very, very patriotic and are willing to allow their kids to come and perform and play for their color, the black, gold, and green. So people, this is not the first I'm hearing something like that. So let me give you some insight on the play himself. Let me give you guys some insight on the play himself. Let's look at how he's doing so far this season for a 21-year-old in the championship. Okay, so these are his stats, his profile. This is his player profile. Physics, yes, he is tall, 188 centimeter. That's quite tall. That's about 6'3", 6'4". No, not 4, but 6'3", 6'2" in that region. So he's a physical specimen. Right back and also center back can perform in a back three based off what you can see here. Strength, control, tackling, ground duels. Weakness, error prone. He's young, so normally that's a part of young players' weakness. So he played a total of 15 games so far this season. Out of that, he had played 40. He has started 14 of them. This is for the championship alone. He has 16 features under appearances under All City. 16 appearances under All City, and steadily the as you can see from his stats, they are quite impressive. Passing accuracy, 82%. That's lovely. That's good. High touch play as well. Clean sheets, 5 clean sheets out of 40, out of let's say 14, because he would start those 14. That's not bad. That's not bad. As I said, he's a young defender. So these are relatively good stats. So let's see what Hull is doing. Let's see how well Hull is doing this season. Let's see. Let's look at the league table. So they are 19th. They're still clear. They're still clear of They are still clear of relegation. But basically mid-table. You would say almost mid-table. But let me look at what I'm going to look at is win ratio with the team. Let me see his win ratio with the team. So these are all the games that he started. That's a draw. They win. Lost one, lost that. 2, 3, 4. Win again. So draw. So basically, from what I'm seeing here, he has a very, very good ratio when he plays for the team. Look at the track record coming down. Look at the track record coming down when he plays. That's a win for him. That's a draw. Another draw. So he has a really, really good track record when he's playing. Look at his consistency in regards to his ratings. 7.1, 7.1, 7.3. So these are actually good. These are really, really good. 6.5, 7.5, 7.4. Even in losses, he has very, very good ratio. 6.8, 6.5, 7.2, 7.4, 7.8. So I would assume that his overall ratio should be in the sevens, close 7, 6.97. So that's really, really good for a youngster at age 21, especially in a championship. And we all know that championship is very, very difficult. So definitely, I haven't seen him. I just, like, someone sent me a YouTube clip of him so far this season, and it looks okay. It looks composed. Maybe needs to full out his entire body structure. Meaning hit the gym. Yeah, meaning hit the gym. But what I've seen, it looks like he has a lot of potential, even at age 21. And as you know, defenders, the more games they play, the better they become, and the older they get, the better they become. That's the aspect of defenders. So it's really, really interesting. And if we should lock in on this one, definitely he would have to offer something. And if you can look at this heat map, that heat map was definitely showing that he has the potential of also playing in a central defensive midfield position, but won't push the gun there. But right back and center back is the predominant position that he's playing. So really, really interesting story. DiShon Bernard. And we'll see how this one develops. We'll keep an eye on him for you guys. And see how this one develops. Guys, please remember, smash the like button and hit that subscribe button, people. Really appreciate it if you do so. And this has been a good one, people. Road to 10K by the end of this year. Guys, Military Guna TV, people. And I am out.